Hi guys, today we are going to be reading Pete the Cat and the Supercool Science Fair. I picked this book because I know a lot of my friends wanted to do the science fair this year but couldn't. So I thought this would be a really cool book and maybe give you some ideas of some science fair things you could do at home. Pete the Cat and the Supercool Science Fair by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete cannot wait for Friday. His school is having a science fair. Pete has never been a scientist. Now he can try it out. Pete's teacher tells the students they will do experiments in groups. Pete is in a group with Callie, Gus, and Squirrel. Our experiment is going to be groovy, says Pete. What should we do? Let's build a mini submarine, says Callie. Or grow a giant tree, says Squirrel. Or invent an invisible guitar, says Pete. Why don't we make a volcano? Asked Gus. Whoa, they said all together. Volcanoes are awesome. The group plans the experiment at Pete's house. His mom brings them snacks. Would any scientist like cookies? She asked. They all raised their hand. The cookies are warm and gooey. You know, boys and girls, sometimes baking or cooking can be an experiment too. The scientists check the big book of experiments for materials. They need glue, water, newspaper, paint, and a plastic bottle for the volcano. They need vinegar, baking soda, liquid dish soap, and a secret ingredient for the lava. All right, boys and girls, if you do a science experiment at home and you need a lot of these materials, you should definitely ask an adult at home for some help and make sure it's okay that you're doing it. Pete and Gus mix the glue and water. Squirrel and Callie tear the newspaper into strips. They cover the plastic bottle with glue and paper. It looks like a sticky white volcano. Oh no, the paint in the brown bottle is blue. What are we going to do? Asked Callie. They can't find brown paint anywhere. Boys and girls, what would you do to solve this problem? That's pretty cool, said Pete. Maybe it's okay that we have a blue volcano. We'll be the only group with a blue volcano, says Squirrel. Let's test the lava so we know the volcano will erupt at the science fair, Pete says. Gus pours baking soda and liquid dish soap into the volcano, and Callie adds the vinegar. Nothing happens. At first. All of a sudden, a lot of lava starts coming out. Super cool, says Callie. The team high-fived each other, but the lava is still coming out. Soon it's a huge mess. Oh, Mom isn't going to be happy, said Pete. At least the scientists are ready for the fair on Friday. Sometimes when you're a scientist, your experiment doesn't go the way you want it to, and you can learn from that, right? When Pete and his team arrive at the fair, they see all the other groovy experiments, and they all look awesome. Grumpy Toad and Octopus grew rock candy in jars. Emma and Marty made slime. We don't stand a chance, said Gus. Don't worry, we have the secret ingredient, said Pete. What do we think the secret ingredient is? At the science fair, Pete's teacher loves the blue volcano. Wait till you see it erupt, Pete said. The whole class watches Callie pour vinegar into the volcano. A second later, glitter lava gushes out and everyone cheers. The scientists cheer the loudest. Wow, glitter lava. I love it. Science experiments are hard work, said Pete, but being on an awesome team makes them a whole lot easier. And they won the coolest experiment at the science fair. All right, boys and girls, I really hope you like that. I like Pete the Cat. I also like how Pete the Cat also has videos that you can watch. So my 2 questions for you today are, if you could choose any science experiment to do, what would you choose? I think mine would probably have to do with growing plants because I'm not very good at it. So I definitely want to get better. So I'd probably do a science experiment about growing plants. And then my second question is, Pete and his team have glitter lava. And in the first page, they have yellow lava. If you were to make a volcano, what would your lava look like? Would you have yellow lava or glitter lava like Pete the Cat? Would you have regular red looking lava or something different? All right, boys and girls, I'm also going to add a link to the Pete the Cat website. It has videos and activities and a lot of cool things. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.